Hi fiber friends, Nicole here with Loom Studios, and today we're going to do a quick video about how to tie a slip knot. This is the first stitch that is cast on when you're either knitting or crocheting, so it's essential to learn this one, and I am confident you will have it down in no time. Here I have some worsted weight acrylic. Whatever you have on hand is totally fine to get started. Tail end closest to my pinky, working end is wrapped around my index finger. I'm going to bend these two fingers down to hold the tail in place. Wrap around. This is the working yarn that I'm holding on to. Just right under here, I'm going to pull up from the bottom, making an upside down U, and then as I pull off, I'm using my right hand to tighten that knot while holding it with my left hand in place. Do that again. Tail end, pinky. Working end, index finger. Gonna wrap around, poke up, and then pull to tighten. And we are ready to get started with knitting and crocheting. Hi fiber friends, thank you so much for joining me today in my video learning how to make a slip knot. Please let me know below what you want to learn next. I am so excited to be starting this channel and getting started with some beginner knitting tips. So let me know, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to geek out about. Let's go listen to some metal and start knitting.